Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to create your own effects on TikTok. So let's get into it. First of all, open any web browser that you use for search. I will go with Google Chrome. Once the browser opens up on the screen, type TikTok Effect House and hit search on your keyboard. Once the search results appear, tap on the first site to open it. This site allows you to showcase your creativity or explore the library to find the desired effect. So what you need to do is tap on Download Effect House. Enter your email address and sign up to get a download link. Please keep in mind that you can only use this software on your computer or Mac. So open your email account on your computer and download the software. Once you download it, you can showcase your creativity and make an effect accordingly. And that's it. This is how you can create your own effects on TikTok. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.